Okay, so let's look at part 2 of 1.3a, midpoint and bisecting. All right, so number 4 states LH bisects GK. So LH bisects GK at M. So from that, we can say GM is congruent to MK. And it's telling us GM is 2x plus 6. So I am actually going to write that on my picture, 2x plus 6. And then GK, the entire length, is 24, and it's asking us to find x. So if I know both of these two added together equals 24, I could say GM plus MK equals GK. So now let's plug in what I know. I know GK is 24. I know GM is 2x plus 6. I also know MK is the exact same thing. So could I say MK is 2x plus 6? Absolutely. So now I've got my equation. So I'm going to combine like terms, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 6 plus 6 gives me 12. I'm going to set it equal to 24. Now combine like terms, subtracting 12 on both sides, and you end up with 12 equals 4x. Then we divide by 4, and we get x equals 3. So did it ask me to solve for GM or MK? It didn't. X equals 3, so I can stop where I'm at. All right, let's look at another example. B is the midpoint of AC, and AB equals 2x plus 1. AC equals this. Find the length of AC. They don't give me a picture, so I am actually going to draw my picture. So I know B is in the center. So I'm going to put a B here. So B is the midpoint of AC. So A and C have to be on the outside. So now let's plug in what I know. AB is 2x plus 1. And I know AC, the entire length, is 7x minus 1. And it also tells me B is the midpoint. So I know AB is congruent to BC. So I can also say BC is 2x plus 1 because we have part plus part equals that whole amount. Okay, so let's go ahead. AB plus BC, part plus part, equals the entire length. Now let's substitute in what we know. I know AB is 2x plus 1. I know BC is also 2x plus 1, and I'm going to set it equal to AC, which is 7x minus 1. So let's go ahead and combine our terms on the left side. 2x plus 2x gives you 4x. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. Bringing down the right side, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4x on both sides because that will leave me with a positive x value. Now, still combining like terms, I'm going to add 1 on both sides, and I get 3 equals 3x. Divide by 3, and I have x equals 1. Now let's go back and we'll find out what they want us to find. It says find the length of AC. AC is 7x minus 1, so I'm going to plug it in. 7 times 1 minus 1 would be 6. So 6 is equal to AC.